If you want to make Mozilla Firefox look and feel the way you want, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the Mozilla Firefox user interface step by step, so you can change the theme, personalize the new tab page, and adjust accessibility settings like font size and zoom. This is a simple way to make Firefox more comfortable, more useful, and a lot better to work with every day. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, let's change the Firefox theme. To do that, look to the top right corner of Firefox and click the menu button. This opens the main Firefox menu with all your browser options. From here, click Extensions and Themes. This takes you into the section where you can manage add-ons and appearance settings for your browser. Once you're inside, click Themes. This will show you the current theme settings and the available appearance options. Now, scroll all the way down until you find the option that says Find More Themes. Click that, and Firefox will take you to the theme gallery where you can browse a wide variety of styles. Take your time and select any theme you like. You can choose something dark, colorful, minimal, or anything that matches your style. When you find one you want, click Install Theme, and then click Add to apply it to Firefox. In just a moment, your browser's look will update, and you'll see your new theme in action. Now let's customize the new tab page. Open a new tab by clicking the plus icon next to your tabs. On the new page, look to the bottom right corner and click Customize. This opens the personalization panel for the Firefox start page, where you can control what appears every time you open a new tab. Here, you can enable Wallpaper if you want to add a background image or visual style to your new tab page. Turn it on, then select any wallpaper you like from the available options. This is a quick way to give Firefox a more personal feel and make the browser look less plain. You can also enable shortcuts if you want easy access to your most visited websites. This is useful if you want faster navigation to your favorite pages. If you like a more content-rich start page, you can enable widgets as well. And if you want Firefox to show news and article suggestions, you can turn on recommended stories too. Each of these options is completely optional, so you can enable only the features that fit your workflow. After that, click outside the customization panel to save your changes and return to your new tab page. You should now see a Firefox interface that looks more personalized and better organized for your needs. Next, let's adjust the accessibility settings. Go back to the Firefox menu by clicking the menu button again, then click Settings. In the Settings page, find and click Accessibility. This section is helpful if you want to improve readability and make text easier to see. Inside Accessibility, you can change the font, default zoom, and font size. If pages feel too small, increase the zoom level. If text is hard to read, adjust the font size to something more comfortable. These settings can make a big difference, especially if you spend a lot of time browsing or prefer a larger, clearer display. And that's it. You've now learned how to customize the Mozilla Firefox user interface by changing the theme, editing the new tab page, and adjusting accessibility settings. These small changes can make Firefox feel much more personal and much easier to use every day. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.